हेलो नमस्ते, वेलकम to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Today we'll see pin code unboxing and review. As you see in the picture, these were some of the products I have ordered on pin code. This is my first order. Pin code app is a PhonePe product. As you see in the picture, I've got this free Cadbury Celebrations pack of 2 on minimum order value 200 rupees. I've got 100 rupees cashback on my PhonePe wallet. Okay, not only this free celebrations pack you have as a free product, you have many other products for free on your first order. You can check out. I'll provide the link in the description box. Okay, let us come back and see some details of pin code app. This pin code app is a store that collaborates all your nearby stores and delivers the product or the products you order on pin code app. And not only you find grocery, electronics and fashion, but you also have online delivery of food like Zomato and Swiggy. You have prompt delivery. It takes 2 hours or 3 hours of time after you place the order on pin code, and the delivery is free if the order value is above 99 rupees. So how is Cadbury chocolate? Do you like? Okay, which of the chocolates you like? Let me know in the comment section. You like 5-star, Cadbury or Gems? So you can order any product or food on pin code that is delivered exclusively from your nearby stores or the local stores, whatever you call. You can save 100 rupees on every order you place on pin code. And as the pin code connects all of your nearby stores, you can get to know the offers or discounts of your nearby stores, right? And do enjoy your shopping with huge savings, right? So how is the free Cadbury Celebrations gift box? Did you like? And I'll tell you how you have to order on pin code to avail this offer of gift box. Okay, here ends free Cadbury Celebrations gift box, right? Now we'll see how to order this free Celebrations Cadbury pack. As you see in the picture, you have to click on the link. Once you click on the link, you'll be forwarded to Google Play Store. Install the app, and this is how the screen looks. Once you install the app, you'll be asked to enter your phone number to log in. Okay, let me tell you something. Please enter the phone number that has been registered on your PhonePe app. If you don't have any PhonePe account or app, you can enter any other mobile number you have with you, and automatically PhonePe gets registered with this number. After entering the mobile number, you'll be verified with OTP. After that, you'll see proceed button. You click on proceed. After you click on that, you'll be asked to add address. Click on add address. And here you allow location. After you click on allow only while using the app, you have to fill all the fields as shown in the picture, such as your house number, street name, state, etc. And click on save address. That's it, done. You'll be navigated to the home page of pin code. As you see in the picture, you have different categories to shop, from grocery to fashion. You can click on any category to shop. You see here you can save 100 on every order value rupees 200. You got offers. If you are a foodie, you can check out offers daily like Swiggy and Zomato. You can order online and get delivery of food at your doorsteps. Okay, in the beginning of the video itself I said you have free products available. Different free products are there. You can choose whichever you like. You have free tomatoes, free eggs, free biscuits, free chocolates, free Cadbury celebrations. Now I'll tell you how you can order this free Cadbury celebrations gift box plus cashback on pin code. As you see in the picture, you just have to click on grocery and essentials. Here you got to click on snacks. After you click, this kind of page appears before you and you see Cadbury celebrations pack. If you don't find, you can give in the search bar as Cadbury celebrations. You scroll down and you will find this product. You click on Cadbury celebrations. As you click on, you add to cart by clicking on add button. As you see in the picture, you have to add the quantity 4. After adding the quantity 4, you click on view cart. Here you have to confirm in the cart that you have added 200 worth products. Then only you'll be eligible to get 100 rupees cashback on your PhonePe wallet. Okay, after confirming your cart value as rupees 200, you click on view delivery options. You select your slot and click on proceed to payment. After you click, you'll be navigated to PhonePe app and you can choose any of the payment options that are available over there. And there's no cash on delivery option available, and you have to pay via PhonePe. And after you select the payment mode, click on pay 200 rupees. You click on that and make payment, and that's it, done. Your order is placed. This is how you can place your order on pin code. As you see in the picture, you will receive SMS as 100 rupees cashback being credited to your PhonePe wallet. You can go check out on your PhonePe app. You can click on rewards as you see in the picture and you see the cashback that has been credited to your wallet. Or you can check out with your recent transactions. You will find this, and this is how the pin code app is. It's a good app. You can try it and save 100 rupees on every order you place on pin code. Thanks for watching. If any of you have come new here, thank you so much. If you like the video, do subscribe and share with your friends and family. Keep smiling. Have a good day.